Our first technique is the arm rotation testing. I'm going to check for preferences or restrictions in the internal and external rotation of her shoulder girdle. Now, those do correlate to spinal curves. And if we wanted to get really mental about it, we could actually map that out. There will be a tendency on the concave side, another one on the convex side. The variable is we don't know if it's one curve, two curve, multiple curves. We don't know what the rotations are quite doing. And we don't have to yet. If I just feel in her arms which way is easier and which way is harder. Yeah, and you just maybe let your eyes rest in one spot, Cassandra. Great. I'm feeling which way turns easier, which way is harder. So that feels easier to me. That feels harder to me. Is that what you feel too, Cassandra?
Absolutely.
Okay. So it's very clear for her, and you could see it in her initial movements even, that this was easier and this was harder. Now that was a super light touch. You know, it was barely enough. That's just feeling the tendency. That's the place to start, because often that'll give you more information than a direct, strong touch will. Now, if you don't get that information, then we can get a little more kind of range of motion thing. Now, let me make a distinction. It's not twisting her around, yeah? It's not that. It's just the arms, the girdles themselves. And as I get more direct, I can start to feel.
I see students come back and repeat these classes or take other classes because they're intrigued, like I was. It's learning a whole new system on some level, so it's exciting, it's fun for them, it's different, but it's a very intelligent way of working with the body because you are relying on the body's wisdom, so to speak. You're listening for the body's response to what you're doing.